Good morning, everybody. Coming to you live from a picture from our honeymoon, actually. I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but actually Sana took this picture. This is on Big Lion Island in Langkawi. And that sand right there is like flour. It is the most incredible, powdery, pillowy, soft sand. Friends of ours, Iqbal and Sue, we miss you guys. And our little daughter Hafsa, who's not so little anymore, she was just a teeny baby sleeping underneath the trees in the shade. It was an unbelievable experience. So that's where we wish we could be right now, but that's where we are. From Toronto, Ontario, Canada, wishing to be in Langkawi, Malaysia, Mexico, Thailand, Australia, Florida, Texas, pretty much anywhere warm, Hawaii, you know, any of those cool destinations. But you know what, you gotta make do with what you've got. So we are going to be making some delicious food today. We are doing some warehouse work. We are getting a new fridge today, which I'm pretty excited about because when we moved into this house, the fridge was really small and we're a family of 5. So that includes Sana's mom. She lives with us. So we're 3 adults, 2 kids, and we got a lot of food and not a very big fridge, tiny little fridge. So we're getting a new fridge today. We're super excited to be here soon. We're gonna get to the kitchen and get to do some cooking. And I think I'm gonna start tearing apart the garage. Anyway guys, come along for the ride and yeah, let's do it.
Shoveling the car off?
On the windows, it's really fun.
What about you, Z? What are you doing? What are you doing? Laying down on the job? Oh, hey, don't smash the window. Here, let's have Daddy do this one. I'm gonna be shoveling up a baby here pretty quick. There you go. Not that way, this way. This way. Oi, all that went right backwards. Push.
So if you've been here on our channel for a while now, you will know that our kids are homeschooled. We have actually done a full-length video talking about why we decided to homeschool our 2 girls. Right now, Zainab is in junior kindergarten, Amina is in grade 1, although she is actually doing schoolwork that is for grade 2s and 3s. So she's a pretty smart cookie. Both of them are really, really smart cookies. We're super proud of them. So we start every morning off homeschooling the girls, and then after we're done homeschooling them, we get some work done around the house, and then usually we'll head over to our warehouse to get some work done as well.
So we just got to the warehouse. Will's on his phone.
I'm checking warehouse stuff.
It really doesn't look like checking warehouse stuff.
Cucumber.
We just had the biggest shawarma ever.
No joke, was this big.
It was massive. It was good. But anyway, we're gonna go inside, get to work, and come along with us. Okay, so here's just a little thing that we just did at the office. We have our Palestine flag and East Turkestan flag. Free the Uyghur Muslims. Free Palestine.
We've actually done a full video on our channel regarding our business, which is Lala Hijabs. If you haven't heard of it before, go check it out. We started this business just a little over a year ago during the pandemic when we had no other options. We had nothing else, no plan B after Will had lost his job. And it's been such a huge blessing. This is actually our warehouse that we just moved into in November. And we're super blessed, you guys. We started this business in our home, and to see how much it's grown ever since then has been crazy. We now actually have a team of people that come and help us work. This was actually on a day off. We are currently in a lockdown here in Toronto, in Ontario, and so we switch our shifts over so our employees are there on days that we're not. And yeah, I'm just getting some work done on the computer, and then after I am done on the computer, I will hop over to the warehouse and start fulfilling a bunch of orders. It's crazy to see how many orders come in. It truly blows my mind. In this like package deal, I guess you could say, of all these different orders that came in. We had some orders all the way from Pakistan and the United Kingdom and even Norway and just tiny little European countries that I actually have to like literally look up on Google because I don't even know where they are. It's amazing. So we do ship worldwide. If you ever want to check out our website, definitely check it out. All of the hijabs behind me that you can see are hand dyed by us here in Ontario. So yeah, we're gonna pack some orders and get on with it. Oh, and I should also mention that this makes us so happy. We are so blessed and so fortunate to have so many of you support our business. And I love taking the time to show some of these packing videos on TikTok sometimes. So if you aren't following Lala Hijabs there, make sure that you do that so you can kind of check out those packing videos. It's always fun to see packages being shipped and how they're put together in their respective packages. And I'm actually super proud of our new packaging for our hijab magnets. I think they're so cute. If you haven't tried hijab magnets before, you need to try them. They're amazing. Replace all of your safety pins because nobody needs those. Like, look how cute they are. They're so chic. They look like a piece of jewelry. And we also have our new thank you cards. Absolutely love this image.
This is what the house looks like when the girls are playing. They have all their toys set up. You having fun?
Yes.
You playing with Barbies?
Yeah.
Huge massive thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. If you watched our videos before, you'll know how obsessed we are with HelloFresh. We are regular customers, you guys. We pay for these boxes all the time. I love having these shipped to our house every single week. And today I'm just showing you the 3 different recipes that we got. One of them was falafel platters, one was a veggie burrito bowl, and one is the ravioli, the squash ravioli that we're going to be cooking tonight. And so they have the ravioli in there, they have the Beyond Meat, which is like a veggie based meat product, and then these ice like cubes that you can reuse over and over again.
Okay, so it is getting a little late, and this is one of the reasons why we love HelloFresh, because it's quick, it's easy, you don't have to think about what ingredients you need. All the ingredients are already there. You hungry, Will?
I'm hungry, but I'm also thirsty.
Okay, so we are going to make creamy squash ravioli. Pasta is always a big hit in our household. And it has all of the ingredients here that are inside the bag. Do you want to grab the bag, Will? So, we're going to make, what is this? It's creamy squash ravioli. And the ravioli, this one also has mushrooms and spinach. 2 things I adore. Will's not a huge fan of mushrooms, but it's okay. I'll make him eat the ravioli instead.
Not a mushroom guy.
Okay,
To
so
each their own.
we're gonna open them up. We got spinach.
Spinach.
Oh my god, they already diced the onions for us. Isn't that lovely?
Cram in the river. Not today.
And we have our vegetable broth concentrate.
You got some
Whipping cream.
crème forte.
Le
Whipping
mushroom.
cream. Lay, just because you put lay in front of it doesn't make it French.
Okay, and then we have Parmesan cheese and I think this is Italian seasoning. An Italian seasoning. And then of course the star of the show, which is the squash ravioli.
Yep.
Oh, the girls want to.
There's more stars to the show. Wait.
Can we help? No, they're putting on their apron.
You guys always help.
Yeah. Can I sit up, Mama?
Yes, you can.
Yeah. I can't
It's funny.
We put on our aprons and we are gonna help
Oh.
you guys. This is not an apron. It's my chef apron. All right, that's her chef apron. This is my apron.
These awesome towels that we brought back from Turkey. Like, look at how nice this towel is. And it gets softer and softer the more that you use it. You guys are probably wondering why there's a fridge back there. That's our old fridge.
Why
Our new
there's a
fridge
fridge
is
over
here.
there?
We're gonna move that one probably to the garage or to the basement or something, but as of right now, that's where it is. Okay, so first thing we need to do,
Run away from the mushrooms.
wash the mushrooms.
I can do that.
You can wash them. You gotta wash them really good. You gotta
Do I have
get
to
all
touch
the gunk.
them?
Gotta get all the gunk off. I'll let you do that job. I'm just gonna look at the instructions. So it tells you step by step exactly what to do. So we've got the water on the pot. I'm gonna just put some salt in it.
Water's in the pot. If there's water on the pot, we got a problem.
Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna go and preheat the toaster oven so we can roast the marshmallows. No, did I say marshmallows? I meant to say mushrooms.
HelloFresh always helps us reach our goals of eating more healthy and eating more clean food. Sometimes we get in like this rut of eating the same things over and over again, so we're always trying new recipes. And this year, we wanted to do things really differently and regain control over our food choices. So HelloFresh comes in so perfectly, helps us make those healthy choices.
So we've sliced up the mushrooms, mixed in the Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and now they're gonna go in the toaster oven.
That's literally like the hardest part of this whole deal.
Yeah.
Look at that. Pre-bagged. Cool. Sealed in. Oh, look at that. It's so fresh. It's like crunchy fresh. She's got it down here because she's short. It's hard for me. I'm a little taller. I'm gonna lay down on the counter and show you guys the spinach that we're working with. It's beautiful. Beautiful spinach.
And I'm telling you, you guys, I have tried over 50 or 60 of HelloFresh's recipes, and they're delicious. And I love that the produce comes straight from the farm to our doorstep within 1 week. So all of the food that comes to our door is at its peak freshness. I just love that it helps save us time and stress. We don't have to worry about what we're going to be cooking because we just have to go into our fridge and grab one of the HelloFresh bags. And you can't beat their value even at full price. The pre-portioned ingredients that you get inside the bags means that you don't waste any money or excess food.
Okay, sauce is looking good. Bill's gonna add the spinach.
Bam! Bam! I think I do that every video we cook.
The bam.
So if you want to try HelloFresh yourself, go to HelloFresh.com and use our code SalehFamily for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. All that information will be in the description box for you below. So make sure that you go down there and check it out and try it for yourself. You guys are going to love their meals. They're so delicious.
So obviously you can modify the recipe to how you like it. This portion of the pasta doesn't contain mushrooms, so Will's gonna grab his portion now.
Winning!
And then I will put the mushrooms in because I love mushrooms, and I'll put it in there, and then we'll do a taste test and we'll let you know how it tastes.
So since Will does not want mushrooms, he's already taken his portion out from the pot, and I'm just adding in the mushrooms. You guys comment down below. We've asked you this before, but who here loves mushrooms? Like, are you team mushroom or no team mushroom? Like, leave a comment so we know which team that you're on. Obviously, I'm on team mushroom and Will is not, but that's okay because we make it work.
All right. Bismillah. You first. Well, you gotta cut it in half.
Because my mouth is small. Gotta get the mushrooms in there.
Very yummy. No, you can't have any. I'm talking to the cat, not the kids. Both cats now. What you need to do for all you bachelors out there,
It's so good.
you need to marry a woman like I did, who takes the time to make sure she doesn't put the things that you don't like in the food. Nothing against mushrooms. We've had this conversation on YouTube before, and the pro-mushroom crowd won out, I think, by far.
Yeah. More people like mushrooms than you think.
Mooch number 2. Hey.
Both of them.
I guess we have cats that like the smell of pasta.
Okay guys, thank you so much for following us along for the day. Let us know if you enjoyed this video and if you're listening to our podcast, because our podcast now has 2 videos up on our channel and we want to know if you guys are enjoying them.
I'm just enjoying the food. It's really good. And the cat is laying on my feet, keeping them nice and warm, huh, kitty? Alright guys, thanks again for coming along for the ride. Take care and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.